Hello guys, review TECNO Spark 40 Pro Plus. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box, look complectation. In complectation we have protected back cover on this, protected glass for screen. Okay. Very quality protected case with magnet. Okay, good. Device in the white color. We have wireless charging, super charging 45 watt and wireless charging 30 watt. 1.5K display resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, MediaTek Helio G200 processor, IP64. Okay, and other complectation, adapter for charging, 45 watt, Type-C cable, key for SIM slot. Okay, very good complectation. And talk about device. We have double camera on the back side and this fake one, power button and wall buttons on this side. Display, we have 6.7 inch display. Downside, slot for 2 nano SIM card without micro SD card slot, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and second microphone on the upside. Turn on device, we have AMOLED, very good display, Android 15 and iOS 15.1.1. Okay, open Geekbench 6. We have CPU results and GPU results. GPU we have Mali G57. Antutu benchmark results look. Okay, very good. And PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Let's see this. Game load and load on the medium graphic level. Okay, works good. Okay, perfect. Close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.